Hey, sound check. 1, 2. Ayan. Nagka-problema na may microphone ko. Okay to kanina eh. I'm not sure what's wrong with my microphone. But, sorry, nagpi-feedback. I'll check it out later. But, hello! Good morning. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Today, pag-uusapan po natin yung top 4 investment moves during the recession. Marami naman kasing investment moves for the recession eh. But, for me personally, my opinion, I want to share with you yung para sa akin, top 4 moves na pwedeng gawin ng isang Pilipino, especially about when it comes to investments during this recession, right? So I took into consideration yung yung pera natin, yung sitwasyon natin. It's a pandemic, so maraming kasing magandang move during the recession, right? It's just that I just top picked 4. Medyo iba-iba yung criteria niya. I'll explain later why. But at least man lang may option kayo for the purpose of your money. Kasi iba-iba kasi dapat ang iba-iba yung strategies natin depending on, number 1, capabilities natin, meaning yung current na assets natin, current na pera natin. So, there might be moves na hindi natin kaya kasi sobrang mahal. Or, may ibang situation naman na okay na ang pera mo, you're at the situation na you don't need to build funds anymore, nasa wealth preservation ka na lang. So iba-iba yung situation and we wanna talk about that. Let me know if may mga problema tayo sa audio. Anyways, okay, kasi I'm using my headphones right now. Hindi ko ma-monitor na maayos. Yung isang microphone ko may problema, hindi ko na troubleshoot kahapon, but I'll try to fix it today for tomorrow. And if you like the topic today, please share the video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video to your Facebook groups, to your friends. Especially the topic right now is just not just about stock market. So makaka-relate po yung mga friends ninyo sa topic natin ngayon. So please share this to your Facebook walls so that your friends and relatives will know about this and ma-inspire naman natin sila. We did our part to at least share with them these information. Okay? Hindi naman natin kailangan pilitin sila if ayaw nila, but at least our part na share natin sa kanila, we did our part, diba? Right, so let me just open this really quick, prepare everything. Before we go to the topic directly, I wanna read yung mga comments ng mga tao. Irby Emmanuel Medalya, Sir Lloyd, welcome back. Good morning from Mika Orteza. Good morning din po. Right, so I'm not sure if ever na-share ko to sa Billionaires Club. Let me just check this really quick kasi ako na rin nag-check lahat eh. One-man army tayo pag nagla-live. Ako na technicals, ako na sa videos and everything. Billionaires Club. Bago kasi si Facebook eh. Hindi ko na makita yung mga napipindot eh. Right. Ayan. So, top 4 investment moves during the recession. Yan. So, the daily grind. Okay, so okay na. Right. Yan. So, if you have any questions, any comments, please post it on the on the comments para masagot po natin. So, let's start with the topic so that the video will not be that long. Ano yung top 4 investment moves during this recession? If you're wondering ano kaya pwede kong gawin sa pera ko, ano kaya magandang move sa recession para at least man lang kumita ako. Isa yan sa purpose natin, kumita during the recession. If not kumita, at least we are at a very good position so that when the economy recovers, nakaposisyon na tayo, which is basically the purpose of investing in recession. Pero meron kasi iba na sa atin na we are at the point nagsisimula pa lang tayo. So, yung hinahanap natin, gains kaagad even in this recession, nagigain tayo. So today's presentation is gonna be a mix of both na nagigain kayo during the recession. Actually, yung nagigain kayo during the recession, that's the best scenario, di ba? So, nasa top 1 yan, abangan mo. Number 4, let's go with number 4. Si number 4, hindi siya instant kang kikita, but as we always say, investments take time, right? As much as possible, go for investment that take time. Wait, where's my yan. So here, unang-unang investment nyo, do not think about trading, just look at dividend stocks investing. Maraming mga company there who gives out dividends. Right? Kung gusto mo lang na low risk na investment na kumikita ka, recession kasi, the market analysts say that we are in a recession pag sunod-sunod na ilang buwan na bumabagsak ang stocks, especially sa stock market, di ba? So, kaka-announce lang ng recession last week, that means bumagsak na mga stocks. We are at a point na napakamura na ng stocks. And, I know, maraming stocks dyan na pipilian, but one of the strategies that you should be looking at right now, just to be safe, on the safe side, wag nyo muna isipin na instant earnings na pag umakit ng market, akit kaagad. That's part of it, but mainly, I want you to focus on dividend stocks. Dividend stocks create passive income kasi, right? So, kahit na, hindi ka, especially right now, the recession is caused by the pandemic. And we don't know for sure yet ano mangyayari sa pandemic. We are optimistic na maging okay na, may mga vaccines na ongoing, but we don't know kailan pa yun mabibigay sa atin. Yun ang problema, hindi natin alam hanggang kailan ito, right? So, low risk muna tayo. Dividend stocks create passive income. After investing in a company, you essentially receive portion of the company's earnings. Yun yung dividends. Okay? It's generally recommended to look for companies that have low debt to equity ratios. Medyo complicated yan, but if you're already in the stock market, you should know where to find this. Siguro I'll make a video about this in the future para sa mga newbies talaga. But again, the point here is look for companies that have low debt to equity ratio. Okay? Yung equity, yung parang asset, nila, compared sa debt nila. So, mga companies na mababa ang utang. Right? Mababa ang utang. Ayala, marami pa dyan. But yes, look at these companies. Right? Just to be completely on the safe side, you may want to focus only on fully reliable companies muna. Right? Just stay safe on fully reliable companies. Especially those that have increased their dividend payouts for at least 25 consecutive years. Right? So, si GMA, paborito ko dividend stock. Check out GMA. Right? Si GMA. So, yan, pinakamaganda magbigay ng dividends. And especially right now, medyo napilayan si ABS. Hindi napilayan. Medyo napilayan si ABS-CBN. So, that is gonna give GMA a head start. So, I think GMA is gonna be doing well in the future. So, yeah, check out GMA for dividend stock investing. So, that's top 4, dividend stock investing. Merong bago ngayon na magre-release, which is the REITs, right? I made a video about REITs 2 weeks ago, right? 2 weeks ago ba yun? Or was that last week? Yeah, I think that was last week. About REITs, right? Real estate investing, trust, ayan. Real estate investment trust, REITs, right? REIT yan. Ayala released the first ever REIT sa Philippine Stock Exchange, sa Pilipinas basically. And they have properties na i-share nila yung ownership, right? Through REITs. Please check my video about REITs. That was last week. Dividend stock din kasi siya. So part ng kinakita ng mga assets under the REIT, Ayala REIT, is gonna go to you. Pag na-release na yan sa market, pwede ka nang bumili ng REIT kasi close na ngayon yung offering nila. But yeah, I think the stock, for me, I think babagsak pa yun, so mas makakamura ka if ever bumagsak man, right? That's a good real estate dividend stock for you to look at. But yeah, number 4 is dividend stock. Okay? So, if you have any questions, please post it in the comments. Why is it like this? Alright, so next up. New kasi yung setup ko ngayon. Ayun. Ito naman, more into positioning yourself to be in a good position when the economy recovers. Plus, hindi naman ito for everyone kasi this will greatly depend on your current what do you call this? Yung gaano ka taba yung account mo ngayon. I don't recommend getting real estate investments na napakalit lang ng down payment nyo. Dapat as much as possible, half ng amount bilhin mo And then yung kalahati, yun na yung bayad na bayaran mo ng installment. As much as possible nga, hindi nyo installment eh. Right? I strongly recommend getting real estate through cash para hindi na mas malaking babayaran nyo. Imbis na yung binabayaran nyo sa installment, natipid mo na sana yon. Right? If you can, and if you're liquid enough, you can go ahead and go cash with real estate. But for liquidity's sake, para at least maka-invest pa kayo sa iba, if you have the opportunity, as much as possible, yung kalahati bayaran mo. Yung other half is through installment, and then go for real estate investing. Bakit, Sir Lloyd? Bakit real estate investing? Di ba real estate ngayon is isa sa mga affected na mga what do you call this, industry pagdating sa recession, di ba? Totoo naman. If you're already invested in real estate, pero kung hindi ka pa invested sa real estate, then I tell you, ang daming opportunities ngayon sa real estate. Okay? So, though major recession can bring serious losses to many industries like real estate, ang dami rin ng mga opportunities na binibigay ni real estate. So, ngayon hindi pa nag-i-invest sa real estate. So, this is the best time for you to start looking into real estate investing. There will be a lot of people selling their properties during this time, the pandemic, the recession, because many will need liquid funds. Right? Kailangan nila ng funds. Minsan yung iba natanggal pa sa trabaho, or because of this job security, natatakot na sila i-continue yung monthly nila, so as much as possible, ibibenta na lang nila. There are so many people selling their assets right now, and because ang daming taong nagbebenta, ang daming supply ng real estate ngayon, whenever there's high supply and konti ang demand, kasi konti lang po ang who can afford to buy. Since konti lang ang bumibili, na yung mga nagbebenta, so dumadami. Right? When there is high supply and then there's low demand, prices tend to go down. So nagpapamurahan ngayon ng pagbenta ng mga real estate. If you notice po, if you look at AUS website, meron silang mga promotions, maliit ang down payment, etc., etc., laki ng mga discounts ng mga bahay. Yung mga tao na medyo nagipit ngayon at nakabili na ng extra na properties, or meron silang properties na binabayaran, tas because of the recession and their job security na natatakot na sila i-continue, so they want their money to be liquid. Marami pong nagbebenta ngayon. They want to be liquid with their assets. Binibenta nila. And kasi marami nga ang nagbebenta, pababaan ng presyo. So this is a very good time to start looking into real estate investment. Okay? Hindi pa naman siya kikita sa iyo kagad ng ROI, etc. But I don't look at ROIs that much kaagad. So kung pwede ka na bumili ngayon at makabili ka man, pwede mo na siyang parentahan. Kahit mura lang. Right? Kung gusto mo talaga kumita ng simula, kahit mura, parenta mo ng mura. May makukuha ka na renters yan. Mag-promo ka rin sa rentals mo. At the very least, kumikita ka sa investment mo. Okay? But then again, the point is, real estate investing is very good right now, especially if hindi ka pa nakapagsimula. This is the best time to go into real estate investing. Okay? So that's number 3. Before I go to number 2, tingnan ko muna ang comments. Good morning, Candice Bacas. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Nice to see you again, sir. Thank you po. It's good to see you have vids about where to invest. Sir, if you have video about where invest bonds, super noob here. Meron akong video about bonds, actually. Let me see if I can show it to you. Okay. Taka lang, ha? Yeah. This is my studio. Let me search for it, and let me try to get the link really quick. Sorry about that. Bonds. Bago lang yan eh. Let me search for bonds. Yeah, go to my videos and search for bonds. Where to buy and know more about bonds. I have videos here. How does investing in bonds work? Things to know before investing in bonds. I have 3 videos. One is last December 2019. Dalawang magkasunod for these weeks. Tingnan niyo po. Search for my video about bonds. Meron po. I think I can get the link of the first pasensya niyo yung light ko medyo nagfi-flicker. It's because may construction ongoing next sa amin ngayon. Yan po yung link nasa chat room po natin. so that you can go to and check out the videos about bonds. Okay, Candice? Right, let's go to number 2. Right, Candice, okay, got it, sir. Saved it na. Salamat po. Good day po sa lahat. That's from Samboy. Okay, good day po. Right. So, next naman. Let me just go to the slides again. Number 2. Ito, pinag-usapan na natin kahapon. But since this is a separate video, I want to include this, right? Investing in Pag-ibig MP2 program. Okay? So, investing muna siya. Hindi siya investment na kikita ka kaagad ngayon. But, I want to include this because it is one of the safest investments you can go into right now, especially ngayon na recession. Number 1 reason, ulitin ko lang, I want you to go to my video yesterday. Tingnan niyo po yung video yesterday about one of the best investment moves you can get into, which is Pag-ibig MP2 program. Your capital is guaranteed. Meaning, kahit na kahit man lang maliit ang kita ni Pag-ibig, kung wala man lang dividends this year, at least yung pera mo buo mo pa rin makukuha. So, hindi gagalaw. Right? Hindi mawawalan. Unlike other investments na, let's say sa stocks, pwede kasi bumagsak ang presyo ng stock. So, meaning, you're losing money. Diba? Dito sa Pag-ibig, hindi. And Pag-ibig has been doing well despite the pandemic, despite the recession. More in-depth explanation about that on the video yesterday. Please check that video out so you'll know about why Pag-ibig is one of the best moves. Kaya po siya number 2 ngayon. Why it is one of the best moves you can do when it comes to investing during this recession. So check the video out, yung video yesterday. Let me see if I can get it for you. Yeah, I think I can get it for you. Lagay ko na lang sa comments ha, para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Okay, let me click on this. Copy. Alright, so Pag-ibig MP2 video, and here's the link. Yan, so andyan po sa video comments, and I'll put this in the video description for those who are watching the replay. Okay? So, good discussion so far. Hopefully, you are learning. Right? Mabilis lang naman to most probably a 30-minute video na lang ito kasi tapos na tayo sa number 2 and then we are going to number 1 right away. Diba? So, number 1 na pinakamagandang investment move for you during this recession is trading. Right? Kasi sa trading, especially sa international market, wag lang po sa Pilipinas, in the international market, meron po tayong tinatawag na shorting, meaning you're speculating that stocks are gonna go down. Pag bumagsak ang stocks, that means, if you're shorting it, that means you are gonna be earning if the stocks go down. And right now, nasa taas naman ang mga stocks karamihan sa US. So, pwede pa rin kumita. And especially si gold, masyadong mahal na. So, people are starting to speculate na baka bumagsak na siya anytime soon. So, you can look at it. But, trading is only for those who know how to trade already. Okay, basta-basta pumasok, oy, sabi ni Sir Lloyd, maganda ang trading ngayon, so magta-trading ako. No. Trading takes time to learn. And if magsisimula ka pa lang mag-learn right now, might be too late to catch and start earning. So, it takes time for you to learn. Kaya po, nakita nyo po dyan, number 1, stock trading or copy trading. Ano po yung copy trading? Just for those na hindi pa alam anong copy trading, meron kasing, di ba? Merong mga magagaling na traders, right? Marunong mag-trade. For example, ako, marunong na ako mag-trade, right? And then, let's say, for example, hindi ako marunong mag-trade, but I want to earn in trading. Kasi, sabi nga, may pera pa rin sa trading kahit pangit ang situation na economy, may recession, di ba? Totoo po, maganda pa rin po ang trading. Kaso nga lang, for example, hindi ko alam, how can I take part of earning in trading if I don't know? Here's copy trading. What if may magaling na trader dyan? Makikita mo yung performance niya, ang galing na ng trader na ito. Diba? So, gusto ko siya, sana makopya ko siya. Kung pwede lang, diba? Kahit na magbayad ako para makopya lang yung yung kinikita niya, diba? The good news is, sa copy trading, libre lang kumopya. Pwede pong kumopya. Okay? So, let me share to you my screen really quick. Pinagandaan ko yun eh. Right? Kaso nga lang, nag-restart ako kasi nagka-problema yung nagka-problema yung screen ko kanina. So yeah, but still here. Sorry. Ayan. Sorry, excuse me. So, I trade through eToro. Right? Medyo naging busy ako, so nag-copy trade lang muna ako ngayon. So, if I have the time, pwede ako mag-trade. But again, example sake natin, what if hindi ako marunong mag-trade? Diba? Kailangan natatakpon yung mukha ko sa logo eh. Lipat ko lang muna dito. Ayan. So, what if hindi ako marunong mag-trade? Dito sa eToro, if you look at your wall, right? So, ganito po yung itsura ni eToro pagtingin mo sa wall mo. Okay? So, and then, ang kagandahan kay eToro, there is an option to copy people. Ito po. Just click on it. And eToro is gonna show you traders na they will recommend or pwede mo i-filter according to your wants. Gain at least magkano, may filter po dyan sa taas. But my point is, pwede kang kumopya ng mga tao. I have 3 right now. I prepared 3 people that we can look at na pwede nyo tingnan na magaling mag-trade. Right? Even during this recession, is kumikita sila. Number 1, this was discussed yesterday. So I want you can search here at the top of the screen, search for, let's say, Mariano Pardo. Mariano. Right? So, ayan, lumabas si Mariano Pardo. Click on him, and makikita mo po si Mariano here. So, meron siya, parang Facebook to. Meron siya mga sinasabi, etc., etc., para alam niyo po anong ginagawa niya, and he might give you instructions on what to do. But the most important thing here is statistics. Right? The good thing about here is, hindi ka pwedeng kopyahin ng mga tao na hindi mo pinapakita kung gaano ka kagaling mag-trade. Right? So, dito, makikita mo talaga, hindi lang basta-basta siya, ay, magaling ako mag-trade. Hindi po, yan lang ang basta yan. Kasi dito, transparent po. You can see the performance of a person. Okay? So, this guy is, meron siyang mga 2 buwan na pula. Puwa tuloy. Bisaya kasi. Pula. 5.96 on February, -5. And then March is -8.94. Yung earnings niya. So, makikita mo, may mga months na bumabagsak siya. During the recession, he was adjusting his strategy. And once he adjusted, tingnan mo, April, 14.24%. Nabawi niya kaagad. May, 9.63%. June, July, August. So, start pa lang ng August, meron na siyang 2.38%. Okay na yun. Isang buwan, 2.38%. But look at July. If you started copying him at the start of July, meron ka na sanang 8.77% na earnings. 8.77 in just 1 month is amazing. This is how big you can get in trading. Right? Mas malaki pa dito actually, but since these are popular investors, maingat sila sa galaw nila kasi kinokopya sila ng mga tao. But my point is, look at this. April, 14.27%. Sa MP2, siguro last year, isang taon nakakuha ka ng 7.63%. Pero dito sa copy trading, if you copy traded Mariano Pardo, in just 1 month, nakuha mo na yung kita ng isang taon ni Pag-ibig MP2. Right? So, mas higher ang returns nito, but may higher than a risk because this can happen. The red months can happen from a trader. But I want you to look at Mariano Pardo, subtracting his negatives, running niya sa month is 34.52% na possible earnings niya. So, yeah, 34.52% in just 1 year is already very big. That's why this is one of the best investments I can share with you. Pero again, the higher kasi the returns of the investment, the higher the risk. Trading and copy trading is considered a high risk investment. But then again, if you want higher returns, you have to look at the risk. So we just manage the risk. Mas higher risk siya, but we can manage the risk. One of the ways that we manage the risk is look at the performance of that person. Right? So this should tell you how he performs in his trading. For the past 3 years, positive siya. And ngayon, kahit recession, yung earnings niya 2019, walang recession, he was earning 34.64%. Pero ngayon, kahit may recession, mas halos nakuha niya na sa isang taon yung kita niya. Diba? So even in a bad 2020, nag-improve pa rin siya. What more pag bumalik na yung what more if bumalik na yung economy ng mundo, 'di ba? So at least from this alone, you can get data and then you can manage your risk already. This is just Mariano Pardo. Isa lang ito na pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo to copy trade. So he's been trading Google, 14 trades, 100% profitable. So these are more data for you. He already traded Google 14 times and 100% kumita siya when trading Google, Microsoft, etc. And so many details here that you can check out. So he has 5,441 copiers. Meaning, ayan. So, 5,000 na kumukopya sa kanya and 5,000 tao na ang kumikita dahil kay Mariano Pardo. So, that's the data you can look into. May risk score dito. I have a video about risk score and how to look for good traders for you. But basically, this is the most important one for me. How is he doing historically? Right? Mariano Pardo, I recommend him for the future also. Kung gusto niyo po mag-copy trading, andyan po sa video description, may link po ng on how to create an eToro account. I'll put it in the chat also. Kung gusto niyo gumawa ng eToro account, please use this link. Ayan po. Wala bang pamigay ngayon sa eToro sa bagong account? Samboy. Alright, so Samboy, may question eh. Wala bang pamigay ngayon sa bagong eToro account? Hindi ko ma-announce eh. Samboy, send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. So, yes, those mga gustong gumawa ng account na bago, please send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. Baka may ibigay tayong pamigay sa mga bagong eToro accounts. Right? So, good morning, Hilario Mantalaba. Right, so this is Mariano Pardo, just one of my recommended person to copy trade. So, pwede nyo pong kopyahin yan siya. Kung gusto nyo po, if meron na kayong pera, just click on copy. And then, lagay nyo lang po magkano gusto nyo ilagay na pera. Let's say, for example, yung minimum po nito is $200. So, just around 10,000 pesos, pwede ka na mag-copy trade ng isang tao. But, that's too small. Right? I recommend bigger amounts. Let's say, for example, mga 30,000. 30,000 is around $600, diba? So, lagay mo lang $600 and then, you can put a stop loss, meaning pag bumaba ang pera mo below $360, masa-stop yung copy. At least manage mo pa rin yung pera mo, right? Again, this is high risk. I want you to understand, mas high risk po ang stock trading, but we have ways to Ito naman si Alex Ilus, right? Alex Ilus. So, check this guy out. Alex Ilus. Let's go to the stats right away, okay? So, pang-close ko lang itong mga notifications. Okay, so, Alex Ilus is already up 39.04 even on the pandemic. Okay, 39.04. August is already up 1.08%. July, he was up 6.93. 7%. All green. Kakasimula niya nga pa lang 2019. Pero look at that. Very consistent, all green yung performance niya. So, again, we're looking at high returns na traders ngayon. May mga traders na low returns pero very low risk naman. This guy is, no red months since he started. Even during the pandemic, kumikita siya. So, guys, this is a prospect you can check out also. Okay, so Alex Ilus, I don't know how to pronounce his name properly, but yeah, Alex Ilus. If you're here so far, hopefully subscribe na kayo sa YouTube channel ko. If you haven't, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Malaking tulong po yan sa atin. And if ever, hindi nyo pa na-share, please share this information to your friends. Lastly, i-recommend ko sa Makapi Trade is this guy. Let me get the name. Si J Nemesis. Right, si J. Actually, marami pa po. I'm just giving you top 3 I can find right now. J Nemesis, let's look at the stats right away. And downright 51% for this year. So, kung nung January ka kumopya sa kanya, your portfolio is already up 51%. 51% is a lot. Meaning, kung 100,000 linagay mo kay J Nemesis, kumita ka na ng 51,000 pesos. Diba? So, that's a lot, right? And he's doing well despite the pandemic, right? This is how good these traders are. And hindi mo kailangan mag-trade. All you need to do is look for someone and then just click on copy. Libre lang kumopya. Walang bayad kumopya. And then there it is, you're already earning. One of the easiest way to earn. Pero yun nga lang, downside compared to others that I've shared to you, This is higher risk since this is trading, but all we do again is manage our risk, and this is one way of managing our risk. Make sure the person is a good trader. And so far, his statistics for 2018, 2019, and 2020 is doing well. 2018, meron siyang pula, pero na-manage niya naman because other months, green naman siya. So, he ended up plus 52% for 2019. 2020, he is up 51.70 already. Despite the recession, walang pula sa investment niya. So, that's very good for this guy. So, I also recommend this guy. Hilario, Sir Lloyd, sa copy trading, nag-message na, congratulations, you're 2%. Anong gawin ko dito? Deposit or share? May button kasi na pagpilian, sir. Sir, sa copy trading, nag-message na, congratulations, you're 2%. You're 2% up already. Right? Send me a message sa Facebook ko. You have the option to stop copying, or kung gusto mo, mag-continue pa rin ang copy. Wala kang gagawin. Right? Nesmir, good morning. Samboy, sige po, salamat. Yes, send me a message. Hilario, congratulations. At least may 2% ka na nakita sa copy trading. Diba? So, yeah. That's good. Alright? So, those are the top 4. Yan. Top 4 na investment na moves I can share with you for during the recession. Right? Iba-iba po yung mga investments. Iba-iba ang purpose. Gusto nyo kumita kaagad, we have the copy trading for you. Kung gusto nyo na positioning muna, or gusto nyo mas consistent, you have the dividends investing. Kung gusto nyo real estate, para at least when this is the chance to buy real estate at very low. Kung matagal nyo nang gustong pumasok sa real estate, this is one of the best times to get into. May share lang ako sa inyo. Sorry. Saan ba maghahanap ng investment sa real estate? Saan ba maganda maghanap? Tingnan nyo po si Carousel, formerly OLX, di ba? Online exchange. Si Carousel, maraming tao dito nagbebenta ng mga properties nila. And you then talk to these people, pwede nyo pangang maano yan, pwede nyo pangang mahagel ito eh. Kasi during the recession, ayun nga, maraming nagbebenta, konti lang ang konti lang ang buyer. So you can find people selling their properties here. Ito, 999k lang benta niya, so nasa 1 million lang. So you can look for properties here. Ang dami. Right? So isa po yan, and then look for more. Marami pa pong ibang pwede kayong maghanap ng properties. So, and then there's pag-ibig na on the long term, kung yung funds niyo talaga is wala pa. Right? So, I don't recommend putting that into stock market. Kung konti pa lang, kakasimulan nyo pa lang, or nag-iipon pa lang kayo, you're starting your financial journey muna. Start with the MP2 program kasi maliitan lang siya, minimum is 500 a month, and then 5 years lang ang lock period niya. So at least doon, mas safe naman siya, kaso nga lang, the downside is may lock period. So pwede naman doon. Right? If you are already at the middle and you're already exposed to stock market, meron na kayong accounts, you already understand stock market, try copy trading. Okay? So, again, if you want to create an account, andyan po sa video description, what do you call this? Create an account, free eToro account using that link. At least man lang ma-testing ninyo. Libre lang kumawa na account. Meron po yung $100,000 na virtual funds na pwede nyo po ipang-practice to practice along and familiarize yourself with the platform. And then, once you're ready, you can already start copy trading. Sayang po yung kita, right? Sayang po yung kita sa copy trading, right? Malaki ang kita sa copy trading. And then, magaling yung mga traders na pwede nyo kopyahin. Hindi basta-basta pinapakopya ni eToro yung mga tao na pangit ang performance. And that is gonna backfire to them also. Kasi pag pangit ang performance mo, nawawalan ka ng copy trade kumokopya sa'yo. So, traders really have to be responsible with their performance, diba? So, yes, those are the top 4 investments I can share with you para at least sa different situation, meron na kayong option kung anong gusto nyong pasukin na investment. Okay? So, these are data for you to process and then After processing, you make your own decision. Hopefully, nakatulong ako sa decision nyo. If you like the channel, if you like the video, please like the video and share it to your friends. If you like the contents of my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's it for today. Let me check the comments before we end the videos. Netmail, good morning. Oy, Nanet. Kamusta? Hilario, Sir Lloyd, Copy Trading, nag-message. Ano na pala, nabasa ko na ito. Sir Lloyd, saan paghimo og eToro account? Geraldine, alam niyo Bisaya ako. Andyan po sa comments, may create an eToro account link dyan po. That's how you create an eToro account. Nasa video description din po to create an eToro account. Wala bang pamigay ngayon sa eToro? Nabasa ko na. Right, so we've already read all the comments. That's it for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day.